Hello and welcome to today's video. So on the workbench today is an AMC325. This is actually mine. It's my known good test unit, and I use it when I'm troubleshooting boards that people have sent in. So I've got a customer, he's got an AMC325 and he's doing a lithium-ion upgrade, and his motor controller will not allow him to go above, I think 180 volts is what he got it programmed for, and he wants to go to 192 volts. And I'm able to go to 192 volts on my AMC325 totally fine on this one. So we suspect it has something to do with the processor board. Specifically, I'm guessing that his drive was originally programmed specifically to run at a lower voltage. We double checked all the components in it, and it looks like it's an actual AMC325. It's got 250 volt rated components in it, MOSFETs and bulk capacitors and power supply and everything. So I suspect that that data is stored in this EEPROM. So to confirm that, I've got his processor board. He sent this in. I have it hooked up to my drive. So I'll go ahead and turn it on and see if we can't recreate the problem here. So if we run the AMC program, and let me go flip the drive on. Go ahead and read it out and view the profile. If we go over here, so he's got it set to 180. I'm not quite sure. If we type in, say, he wants 192, and it errors out. It gets, see a little error message at the top there saying that it needs to be within 92 to 173, which I'm not even sure how he got 180 in there. One thing I wanted to try, because it won't even let me, if I hit escape, he's got it set to 180 somehow. My guess is he loaded a different profile. Yeah, see, it won't let him go above that. Which is kind of interesting. If I load a profile, I kind of wanted to see if I actually load a profile. What is my serial number on this thing? 1472. So yeah, that's this one. So if I load that profile and program it, let's see if we can't program that into it. This is one of the things I wanted to try. So let's just write that to his drive. I've already backed his up. So if I go view that, see, now I'm at 190. I bet that's how he got that in there. But if I type in 192, oops, I missed it. Yeah, 192. Oh, it lets me do it now. I think that is all we needed to do. Yeah, I think it's now set up right. Yeah. You know, probably didn't need to ship the thing. We could probably just sent him this profile to load in there. Let me, it's already stored in EEPROM. Let me write it back. Well, shoot, that looks like that would probably fix it. Now I gotta rig something up to test at the high voltage. Let's set the high voltage limit, battery LED to, what was it before, 2 volts away? Yeah, let's set it to 190. Oops. Yeah, we'll just set that to 192. And we'll write that back to the drive. Verify that it took it. Yep, go ahead and save it. We'll save this as, yeah, that's okay, save that. I get to edit that now because it saves it with the serial number. But, that's interesting. Well, I was hoping this would be a neat video where I got to take the EEPROM out and then I unsolder it and then read it out and compare it to the EEPROM on here and then figure out the checksum, figure out where that high voltage limit was set, stored, and all that. But looks like I don't have to do that. I gotta come up with something that'll allow me to generate 190 volts to verify that it is actually working, but it looks like I was able to program it to 190 volts, 192. So let me just read it again, make sure that it took, but I suspect that it is all good. Let me turn it off. Focus. Focus. Alright, now I'll go ahead and press any key, turn it on. Oh, that's interesting. Look. It defaulted back to that 173. I knew it was too good to be true. Did it just not read it? Hold on, let me check. Switch off and then on, press any key. No, it did. It saved it. Yeah, 192. I don't think it downloaded it the last time. I think I might have flipped it on before I hit enter. There's like a little bit of a delay, but yeah, that looks like it's good now. I think it might be fixed. Let me go ahead and actually we should be able to run it if we exit this. And go to I have to turn it off, turn it back on. No, ignore. F10 to quit. There you go. Try that again. Let me flip it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. AMC325 is G. There you go. Okay. Let's see if we put her in gear. Give her some throttle. Yeah, it's working. So, currently my system voltage is 161.66 volts. I'll see if I can get up to 192. I only got one more battery that I can add in series. That's not going to cut it. So I'll see what I can do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.